How's it going, YouTube? This is Levi from BayFoils, and today we're going to cover some DIY Fliteboard repairs. We got a little crack in our board from the underside of the carbon. Luckily it's pretty small, so we're going to attempt to patch it ourselves. For the repair we're going to be using SOLAREZ. This is a pretty common resin you can get at like surf supplies or hardware stores. It works great for fast, quick repairs on small dings like this. I like to get the kit that comes with some sandpaper, plastic, and alcohol wipes for cleaning, as it just makes everything easy and self-contained. First thing we want to do is clean and sand the damaged area. You could use regular rubbing alcohol or water, and then sand all the debris and sharp edges from the carbon fiber. We really don't want any extra giblets in there when we apply our resin. Once it's looking pretty smooth and clean, then we can go ahead and just apply the resin on top of it. Make sure you apply the SOLAREZ in the shade, as it'll give you a longer working time to get it all prepared. Using the plastic in the kit, or just any recycled plastic, flatten it out into a nice disc shape. This will help it look clean and make it easier to sand. The thicker the plastic, the easier it is to make it nice and smooth. If the SOLAREZ you got didn't come with a little strip of plastic, you could literally use anything. This is literally the plastic from a package of peach rings that I took apart. But you could use saran wrap, you could use a garbage bag, as long as you're just careful to make sure it's not super wrinkly. That'll make it easier to sand later. Once you're done, go ahead and put it in the sun. SOLAREZ will cure in direct sunlight in about 2 to 3 minutes. And we're back. 3 minutes later, you can see, peel the plastic right off, and the resin is nice and hard. I like to give it a little bit of a sand once I'm done with the resin, just so it feels smoother and looks a little cleaner. And that's basically it. Within 5 minutes, we have a watertight seal with the instant resin, and we can take it on the water. Now keep in mind, this is really good for small dings or temporary fixes. If you have some serious damage on your board, you should really take it to a professional. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this helped you out getting your Fliteboard back on the water. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. And if you like this video, let us know so we can make more like this in the future.